So as promised, I'm back to share with the latest skin booster in the market called Profhilo. Profhilo is the latest skin booster which is more superior compared to the other skin boosters because it has got the lifting and anti-aging properties. So the benefits that one can obtain using Profhilo is it improves skin hydration and texture, it causes tightening and lifting, it also reverses the skin aging process. So Profhilo can be done for the face and neck depending on your skin laxity issues. This procedure is fairly quick. It can be done under 30 minutes with no local anesthetic. You will be left with the tightening and lifting in no time. So we have come to the end of our 3 episodes. I hope my sharing has been beneficial to you. Do visit us at Glojas so that we are able to assess which of the 3 flawless skin packages is most suitable for your skin type and skin concern. Always remember, Glojas brings out the best in you. See you at Glojas.